Here I have XIOAMI Redmi K30S, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. First of all, you have to open Settings, then go to the About Phone, then Backup and Restore. Scroll down a bit, Google Backup and Reset. Here you have to select this Backup My Data and enable this feature. And what you have to do next is to add your backup account. Of course, you will need the internet connection for this. Here you have to enter your email. Tap Next. Next you have to enter your password. Tap Next. Next you have to agree with Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. And for the last thing, tap Accept here. And your device will be ready to be backupped. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.